हाय गुड मॉर्निंग एवरीबडी, माय नेम इज अमित। आज थोड़ा सा टाइम मिला है, आईएलटीएस की बात करूंगा। आईएलटीएस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टेस्ट इफ यू आर प्लानिंग फॉर अदर कंट्रीज लाइक कैनेडा, ऑस्ट्रेलिया। Many students they book the test but they do not prepare for it, right? And they lose their money ultimately if they fail. So if you want to get through this test successfully with flying colors, I can help you out, especially in the writing section. I am going to talk about writing section today. For general and academic, there is a common task, essay writing. So I am going to talk about essay writing today, how to write essay and how to organize it, how to paraphrase it, or let's say how to put the vocabulary into it. So first of all, you decide that the format in which you are going to write essay. There should be 20% the introduction, 40% the 60% the main body, and the 20% is the conclusion. So this essay 250 words will be divided like this, like 50 words in the main introduction and 50 words in the conclusion, and rest are the words in the body. And decide that there should be 2 or 3 paragraphs in the main body. Now when you have decided the format or the structure of the essay, you need to begin with the introduction. Introduction is all about paraphrasing the question. So read the question, understand that question, because in main question the task achievement is very important. So understand the question and find it out what is it demanding. डिमांड क्या कर रहा है वो, राइट? कि आपको लिखना क्या है। अगर आपने ये अच्छी तरह से समझा, and then you have vocabulary in your mind, right? For that, or if you do not have vocabulary, मेरी vocabulary development की वीडियो अलग से मैंने बनाई है, आप वो देख लेना। तो सबसे पहली चीज़ है, आपने फॉर्मेट डिसाइड कर लिया। You have decided the format, right? And you have started with the introduction. Introduction is 20%. Then comes the main body. Main body is very important part where you need to structure, you need to synchronize the main body with the introduction, right? Introduction का link बिठाना sometimes it is difficult for people. So there are connectors or conjunctions in the grammar section that you can learn that will help you to say your message clearly further or to take it ahead. And then comes the last conclusion. In conclusion, you need to keep it very short, right? And what you like, sometimes it happens you get confused that whether I should agree or disagree, or I should keep my view there. So whatever the view that you hold on that question, you write there with the good vocabulary. Vocabulary is the key, my dear friends. In the task 2, many students they do not have good vocabulary, or they do not have the preparation, and that is why they do not get the desired band. And if you really want to get the desired band, prepare good vocabulary. I must say, not only good, excellent vocabulary for IELTS examination, because they want to check your written skills, written English skills. एक और बात बताता हूँ, like if you are communicating to somebody through, there are different ways like verbal and non-verbal. Only 7% is with the words, like because you are writing, there is no tone, there is no body language, so you are handicapped with 90%, 93%. So with 7% you need to be very effective there in the essay writing. Remember this thing, with 7% you have only 7% in your hand, so that 7% must be communicated through the good vocabulary. So essay writing is like how precisely you write. So keep it short and simple. Do not make it very complex. But you need to use complex sentences. Don't make the essay complex. However, there are compound sentences and complex sentences, so you need to put complex sentences in your essay. Thank you so much. अगली वीडियो में I'll talk about speaking section, right? Thank you so much.